Hi, this is Joe from 2190 ST Transport Vlogs. I hope that you enjoy this video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Train doors opening.
Stand clear. Doors closing. This is an all-stop service to Tallawong. The next stop is Central. This stop is Central. Change for Sydney, Airport Line, intercity and regional trains, buses and light rail services. Doors will open on the right. This stop is Central.
Train doors closing.
I'm going to wrap the vlog up. Thank you so much for watching.